Welcome back to Vidya channel. Today we will cover the Bachelor of Veterinary Science, that is BVSC program, which is noble pursuit aimed at training individuals to become skilled veterinarians dedicated to the health and welfare of animals. But wait, if you are new to our platform, then subscribe to Vidya channel for getting right guidance on education and career in a crisp manner. And yes, do also press the bell icon so that you are immediately notified as soon as a new video is uploaded on the channel. Now, let's quickly delve into this essential degree program and uncover the rewarding journey it offers to aspiring animal guardians. Role of veterinarians. As stewards of animal health and well-being, veterinarians play a vital role in safeguarding the health of animals and promoting the bond between humans and their animal companions. Course duration. The Bachelor of Veterinary Science program typically spans 5.5 years, combining rigorous academic study with practical clinical training to prepare students for the diverse challenges they may encounter in veterinary practice. Here's an overview of what students can expect to learn in BVSC program. Veterinary medicine and surgery. Students gain comprehensive knowledge of veterinary anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology, and clinical medicine, equipping them with the skills to diagnose and treat a wide range of animal diseases and injuries. Surgical techniques, anesthesia, and patient management are also integral components of the curriculum. Preventive healthcare. Preventive medicine is emphasized to ensure the health and welfare of animals at individual and population levels. Students learn about vaccination protocol, parasite control, nutrition, herd health management, and disease prevention strategies to promote animal wellness and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Animal welfare and behavior. Understanding animal behavior and welfare is crucial for veterinarians to provide compassionate care and address behavioral issues effectively. Students explore topics related to animal behavior, handling, and enrichment, as well as ethical considerations in veterinary practice. Clinical experience. Clinical rotations and hands-on experience form an essential part of the BVSC program, allowing students to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world settings under the supervision of experienced veterinarians. Rotations may cover areas such as small animal medicine, equine practice, livestock management, and exotic animal care. Career opportunities. Graduates of the Bachelor of Veterinary Science program are well prepared for diverse career opportunities in veterinary medicine, including small animal practice, large animal practice, that is equine, bovine, and ovine, wildlife and conservation medicine, public health and epidemiology, research and academia, government and regulatory agencies. Now the conclusion. The Bachelor of Veterinary Science program offers a fulfilling and impactful career path for individuals passionate about animal health and welfare. By acquiring the knowledge, skills, and compassion needed to care for animals, graduates of this program become valued guardians and advocates for the well-being of animals worldwide. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and follow us on social media. For any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment or email us at info@vidyalife.com. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.